Hello friends, today we will discuss how to work on PDF files. Many times we receive data in PDF formats and working on PDF format is very difficult. So we will discuss how to overcome this difficulty. Before we start our session, please like and subscribe my channel. Suppose you receive, I have a sample data of state-wise population of Indian states. So you have to work on this data and it is in PDF format. So what you have to do? One thing you can do, just do a copy and paste in a Excel file. Let's say this is an Excel files where you can paste this data. Let's say I pasted it here. Now you have data in this format. Now you can just arrange this data in columns if you have time, but the problem is we don't have so much time. So what to do? To overcome this kind of problems, there is a solution in Excel under Power Query. Let's do this activity again. You go to this data, and to import this PDF files, you have to go to on this data, get data, and from files, because our data is in a PDF file, so we will click on from files and just select on this from PDF. Let's wait. Populations. So I am just importing it. So once this data is imported, you will be at this navigator pane, and you can see that there are two things are appearing here. One is appearing as table 001 and another is appearing as page 001. This is based on the data you have imported. My files is having only one page, so it is appearing as page 001. If you have many pages, so all pages will appear under this navigation pane. So you can just click which data you want to import, because our data is in a table, so we can click on table and you can see the data preview. It is available, that data is appearing here. So just click on transform data. The data is under this Power Query Editor mode, and suppose you want to make some transformation into your data, you can do it here. Just like in our data, our first row is a header of our data, which is appearing here as row. So we can do this command, use first row as header. So after applying this step, there is a new step added in my applied steps, and the first row is now a header. Now let's say we don't want all these columns from 1951 to 2001. So you can exclude this data from your query. So let's say I need only states names and I want the latest available population numbers. So I just selected these two numbers and clicked on this remove columns. You have to click on this down arrow key, and you will find the two options, the remove columns. If you will click on remove column, all selected columns will get removed. And if you want to keep the selected column and remove all other columns, then just click on remove other columns. By doing this, I have the data as I want. Now you can just import it into your Excel workbook. Thank you for today. Thanks. Like and subscribe my channel.